Pwede bang batiin mo yung katabi mo sa kanya, good morning. Okay, good morning sa ating lahat. Sa ating Dean, bagaman hindi makakarating sa Dean ngayon, Dean Katrina Claire Labios, sa ating program chair, kay Ma'am Rosemary Sangabiel, sa ating mga faculty members, at syempre, before I begin, I want to thank the officers of LU ISOC for their hard work in making this event possible. So, pwedeng palakpakan natin ang mga officers ng LU ISOC. Sa ating mga estudyante, thank you for your unwavering support for our department. As your advisor, masaya ako na nandito kayo ngayon at ang dami nyo, parang tinulong pa na yata tayo sa upuan. Okay, so palakpakan nyo rin yung mga sarili nyo. Okay, before we start, we need to test your mental sharpness. Sabi nga, sa accounting, bawal ang lutang. Sabi mo nga sa katabi mo, bawal ang lutang. Okay, so, we will have a system integrity check. Sige, magsimula tayo sa normal. Sige, please stand up. Gagawin nyo lang, follow my instructions. Sit down. Okay, stand up. Raise your right hand. Asan ang right hand? Okay. Raise your left hand. Baliktad ako na ito ang left hand. Clap. Turn around. Wow. Marunong sumunod. Ulitin natin. Sit down. Stand up. Raise your right hand. Raise your left hand. Clap. Turn around. Ngayon naman, from this moment, whatever I say, you must do the opposite. Baliktad, Pag sinabi kong sit down, tatayo kayo. Kapag naman sinabi kong raise your right hand, syempre, left hand ang tataas ninyo. Pag sinabi ko naman na clap, papadyak kayo. Okay. Basta, whatever I say, you must do the opposite. Simulan natin. Bago yan, sit down. May system error ba dyan? Okay, sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Raise your right hand. Raise your left hand. Don't clap. Sabi mo, don't clap. So, hindi mo clap. Okay, clap. Okay, you may now take your seats. Totoo na yun. You may take your seats. In the real world, things don't always go as planned. The opposite happens. The opposite happens. Kahit na minsan may mga plano tayo, pero hindi lahat ng pinaplano natin nangyayari. Meron tayong mga expectations, pero hindi lahat ng expectations natin natutupad. Minsan, the opposite happens. Katulad ng ating event ngayong umagang ito. Yung event natin, supposedly, if daw nagkakamali, dapat nung Friday. Pero, na-adjust tayo ngayon, pero sabi ko sa mga officers ng LU ISOC, hindi natin kontrolado lahat. Hindi natin kontrolado lahat. Pero pwede natin i-control kung ano ang ating magiging respond sa mga pangyayari po sa atin. As we strive for excellence in our skills, let us be reminded of what it says in Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your hearts, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. Ready na po ba kayo? Ready na ba ang LU ISOC? With that, I officially open our non-academic event where skills matter and mistakes are eliminated. Maraming salamat at enjoy tayo.